Hi guys, today I'm going to be giving a first impression of a product that was highly recommended by multiple people, and thank you guys so much for recommending it for me. I'm really excited. It's this, and it has to have the hint of dark. I think there's a few ones that are just clear. So this is really not necessarily testing it for a dry shampoo, but testing it if it's gonna like help my thin spots appear less thin. We'll see. I did not read any comments, or I didn't read anything that anyone wrote about it. I have no idea how this thing works, and I never used a dry shampoo before. I don't know anything about a dry shampoo, so this is really just going to be authentic. I don't know anything about it, and on top of that, my computer doesn't work, so this is just going to be raw footage, okay? So it's just going to be what it is. Alright, so I have a part already here. Let me see. Maybe I want to make it a little bit there, right? Okay. So the lighting's not that great in here, but okay. Alright, so I don't think there was a cap for this. I bought it. How much did I pay for it? That'd be the first question, right? I bought it for $6.99 at Target, but there was no cap because I didn't open it. I didn't touch it. I just took it out the bag, and there's no cap. So I don't know. I don't like that because I have kids. So I guess I should read the instruction first, right? Okay, shake vigorously, 12 inches from dry hair. Okay, 12 inches, that's actually a lot. Okay, massage throughout with fingertip, gently brush. Okay. Alright, well, we're going to test this a few ways on my hair to see if it's going to help. Trying to... Okay, let's just shake it about 12 inches away. Actually, let me just grab my thing. Can you see that? Okay. Okay. Wow. Wow. Holy cow. That really works. That really, really works. Hold on a second. That really, really works. It's kind of like you can still see my scalp, but everything just looks thicker. Like you can still see the line. And whoa, that is so weird. Because I thought it would just be black everywhere or brown everywhere, but it's not like that. You could still see like a line, but everywhere else looks really dark. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. It said to comb it out, so I'm going to comb it out. And massage. Okay. Well, it does give a little bit of product left, but it's not a lot. But wow. Whoa. For like $6? That is awesome. Okay, whoever, like, I know multiple people told me about this product on my comment section, but thank you. Wow. That's crazy. I have a new favorite product. I literally have a new favorite product. Wow. Okay. All right, let's keep testing it. All right, but that's like perfect. Like, you really don't have to do anything. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's just try it again. Okay, so it does kind of make the hair a little bit stiff. I could kind of feel it, but it adds so much volume. Like, take a look. Look how flat this side is, and look how much volume this side has, right? So it does add volume. I really also like that. Okay, all right, let's see. Let's try another section. Okay, what should I do with this section? I feel like this is like the hardest one to cover up. Should I try to make a line here? Yeah, I'll try to make a line to see if I could keep like the natural scalp line. I'll see if that works. Okay, let's see. Okay, how does that look? Okay, that looks weird. That looks really weird. Yeah, don't use this. Don't use this because it looks really weird. It looks like, how do I say? Can you see better? It just looks like a harsh line. Here, let me just try. Okay. It is like, you really have to spray it like a foot away because it is like it has like a lot of force. Okay, so my hair looks grayish. I don't know, maybe I should just blend it out. Let's see if that helps. Okay, blending it out. Wow. Just wow. Okay, blends out. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm gonna comb it out. Okay, my only question with this product is do I have to wash my hair at night? Because I am getting more product on my hand, but like I just don't, like, will it dry? And can I sleep with it on a white pillow and be okay, you know? But whoa, I love it because you can still see my scalp, but it's like, it just looks so natural. It looks so natural. I'm beside myself. I'm beside myself. I don't know what to think. I really wasn't expecting it to work this well. I really wasn't. Oh my gosh. And it doesn't smell. It doesn't smell bad. And it's not fumey, you know, like when you spray hairspray, it's not like fumey everywhere. Alright, I do want to try it if I have like some sort of like oil or some product in my hair, if that will make a difference. Let's just do. Okay, because sometimes I do, if I have my hair curly, I have to have product in it. My hair is naturally curly. But if it's straight, I usually don't, but I just kind of want to see how it will react in general to some sort of product. So I'm just using this, what's this? Anti-Frizz Sermon from Garnier. But any sort of oil, pretty much. I think that's really what I want to check, like if it'll react weird with oil. Okay, so I will put some oil on. My hair is actually just I washed it, yeah, it's 2 days that I didn't wash it, so, okay. Put a little bit of oil and see if it gets weird, because I'm thinking it may not stick with oil. Foot away. You gotta really be good at aiming with this thing, because like you don't want to aim for your face. Okay, I'm so impressed. I am like so impressed. Okay, let's see. Okay, so a lot more product with coming off than with this hand. So this is the hand I was using. This was the hand I was using for this side of the hair with no oil. Wait. I can't see if you can see. I can't see the camera. But double the amount of product that came off. Double. Okay. But it still sticks really well. Wow. It works so well. Okay. This is it. This is the real deal. This is the real deal. This is it. Wow. I feel like I just want to like spray it everywhere. Hold on. Wow. This is bomb. Oh my gosh. Do you know, I just can't do this with my hair naturally. Like, I just can't. It adds so much volume. Jeez. That looks so good. Wow. So, let me see. If you do scratch, it will it will get under your nail. I don't know if you could see that, but the black spots, it will get under your nail. It does still have like a little bit of a tint in general. You do have to comb that out, but there's no flakes anywhere. Like, there's no flakes on my shirt, on my white curtain behind me, on the floor, on the sink. There's no like flakes. I thought there would be like little black specks everywhere. Wow. I need to think of something negative to say. What can I say? I don't know, because it works. Like, I don't think, like, okay, I'm not using it at all as a dry shampoo. I'm just using it, like, can it cover up, like, a bald spot, like, or just really thin hair. And it does really well, because it still keeps, like, the scalp line. And then plus you could, like, probably, you could style your hair, like, for example, like, here, let me try this side. If I was to like pull my hair up like that, you would typically see my scalp. So I could never like do this hairstyle. But like using this, I could probably just do it. I could do that. And you won't even notice. But like you see like you'll see like my scalp line. Like through, oh my goodness, I can't believe this works. Wow. Okay. Okay, It works. I don't know what else to think. I don't know what else to say or think. It works for the purpose that I want to use it for. As far as actually dry shampoo, I don't care for dry shampoo because like I like washing my hair. But oh my gosh. Here, let me just test it on my skin. Will that be weird? Okay. Here, I'll put my arm up. I'll see if it like how it looks on my skin. Okay. So it just leaves like a dark, very, oh, and it blends out. So you could just blend it. Yeah. Oh wow. So that's why you use the comb and you massage it, because it just blends it all out. Okay. And let me just see, get some paper towel and some water. Let's see how easily this comes off. If this is just water, nothing special. Huh. It comes right off. It literally just comes right off the water. Don't get caught in the rain. But that's awesome. I like that it just, you know, because like you don't want to put, if you already have thin hair and you don't want to put product that you really have to like scrub it out, because that's going to damage your hair more. So I like that it just comes right out. Cool. I think this video is long enough because I can't edit it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment below. Please tell me a product that have worked for you. And thank you guys so much for letting me know about this product, because this has literally just changed my life. Like, literally just changed my life. Like, I'm about to buy this and put it in everybody's Christmas stockings. And this video is not sponsored. So I don't want anyone to start thinking that it's sponsored. It's not sponsored. I'm not affiliated with, you know, this company. But I will have a link below to it. Thank you so much. Bye.